Craving something sweet that won't ruin your diet? Try these high-protein cookie dough balls for weight loss. Highlight key benefit. Emphasize the high protein and weight loss benefits. Packed with protein to keep you full longer and help with weight loss. Simple, quick recipe. Keep the recipe easy to follow in under 60 seconds, with clear, visual instructions showing each step. Use trending ingredients. Highlight trending ingredients like plant-based protein powder, almond flour, and dark chocolate chips. Visual appeal. Show close-ups of the dough balls being rolled, coated with ingredients like nuts or chocolate, and the final result in an appealing bite-sized format. Focus on clean eating. These cookie dough balls are clean, low-carb, and contain no added sugars, making them perfect for a healthy lifestyle. No-bake recipe. Promote the recipe as no-bake, meaning it's super convenient and quick to prepare. Ideal for busy individuals, portable and meal prep friendly. The cookie dough balls are great for meal prep and can be stored for the week as a healthy snack. Emphasize taste and satisfaction. Play up the flavor. Satisfy your sweet cravings guilt-free. Show a taste test with an excited reaction. Nutrition fact highlight. The high protein content per serving, like 10 grams of protein in each serving. To appeal to fitness enthusiasts, visual timer countdown. The 30 to 60 second prep time to make it fun and dynamic for short video content. 1 cup of quick oats, 1/2 cup of chocolate protein powder. You can also use vanilla. 3/4 cup of creamy peanut butter or any nut butter. 60 bsp of almond milk, and a handful of chocolate chips. Baking. First, mix the oats and protein powder in a medium-sized bowl. Add the peanut butter and almond milk, and stir until everything is well combined. Once that's done, roll the mixture into small cookie dough balls and place them on a parchment-lined baking tray. Finally, pop the tray into the freezer for about an hour to let your treat set. You'll need 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Mix it together in a bowl until it forms a dough. Add 1/4 cup of oats and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips to the dough. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Now, take about a tablespoon of the mixture and roll it into a ball. Continue this process until you've used up all the dough. And there you have it. Delicious high-protein cookie dough balls that are great for weight loss. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please let me know if you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and tips. Until next time, happy cooking!